Hi, I'm John here from Techvill Appliance Repair. I specialize in dishwashers, fridges, stoves, pretty much anything under the sun, any kind of appliance. Another typical issue is when you're dealing with an older fridge is sometimes it might not be cooling as good as it should be. Common problem is that you'll have built up dust on condenser coils. So what you typically do is either from the bottom access or the back access, you'd have a bunch of coils with a whole bunch of dust or dirt on them. And what it does is basically your fridge is always trying to give off heat, and if it can't give off heat effectively, it tries harder and harder to cool, and then eventually your fridge or condenser can burn out. So what we recommend doing is every 6 months to a year is if you get one of these, or if you want to call our techs in after 5 years or 10 years of you not doing this, we'll come and take care of all that dust off of there and get your fridge up and running.